Every new Lexus comes with 2 complimentary scheduled maintenance services. The first service is at 1 month or 1,600 kilometers. During this first visit, your Lexus Academy Trained Technician will set up or adjust your personal vehicle settings, visually inspect all components under the hood, and address any questions or concerns you may have. After 6 months or 8,000 kilometers, your Lexus dealer will complete an inspection of the wiper blades, check and top up engine oil and other fluids, inspect engine and cabin air filters, inspect and rotate tires or perform seasonal tire changeover, and remove wheels and inspect brake pads. After the complimentary services, continuing with regularly scheduled servicing will help ensure your Lexus continues to perform at the same standards of engineering and craftsmanship to which it was built. Thank you for taking an inside look at your Lexus.